Hello, good everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Kasaligan Vlogs. And today, we will be talking about integral calculus, and the topic that I will be introducing to you is integral given inverse trigonometric functions and additional formulas. So here are the formulas. We have I-18 to 24. So the thing that we're going to do here is we need to familiarize the formula in order for you to solve the equations or evaluate the inverse trigonometric functions or these problems or integrals. So we have here, take note of this, we have 2I22. In I22, we could say that the first I22 is that u squared is lesser than a squared. And in the second one, u squared is greater than a squared. So take note of this. How to make use of this I-22 when u squared is greater than a squared, lesser than a squared. So this is the formula that we're going to use. When u squared is greater than a squared, this is the formula that we're going to use. So take note, u squared, and this is a squared. And we have here I-18. So what we're going to do is we need to familiarize this one, and we have to think of the formula that best suits to the problem. For example, if you could see like this a pattern, so understood that the function that we're going to use is inverse sine of u over a plus c. So I-18 to 24. So going on to number 1 over the square root of 4 minus x squared. So the first thing that we're going to do is we have to look for the suit formula or the perfect formula that we're going to use this time. Okay, so we have here the integral of dx over the square root of 4 minus x squared. So understood, this is in the pattern or the formula of integral of du over the square root of a squared minus u squared. So let's see the pattern. We have a, u, and dx. So du. So therefore, the answer of this one is inverse sine of u over a plus c. So understood. The first thing that we're going to do is we need to find what is the value for Ra. The value for Ra is, we have, of course, because this is square, so therefore this is 2. And what is the value for Ru? Ru is equal to x. So therefore we have now the a and u, and we don't have neutralizing factor at the time, okay? Because we need to derive du is equal to dx, okay? So understood, this is dx. So we have the answer is, in this part, is the integral of du over the square root of a squared minus u squared is equal to inverse sine of u over a plus c. So what is Ru? Inverse sine of u is x over what is Ra, which is 2 plus c. So therefore, the result is the inverse sine of x over 2 plus c. Okay, that's very simple. Number 2, integral of dx over x times the square root of x squared minus 16. So the first thing that we're going to do is we have to find for our formula. So the formula that we could be able to locate here is the appropriate formula is the integral of du in terms of sec, inverse sec, u, the square root of u squared minus a, right? Because this is u. Here the pattern is in inverse sec. Okay, so 1/2 inverse sec of u over a plus c. So first is we need to find for Ra. Ra is equal to, of course, we have 4. Ru is equal to x, right? So therefore du is equal to dx. So there are no neutralizing factor because du is equal to dx. So therefore we have to substitute here. So 1/2 inverse sec, what is Ru? Ru is equal to x over 4 plus c. So that's it. Very simple. So what we're going to do is we need to find for the appropriate formula. Okay, the pattern involved here. So in 1/2 inverse sec of x over 4 plus c. So let's proceed with number 3. So number 3, dy over the integral of dy over 25 plus 9y squared. So understood, we have to look for the pattern or the formula. So the formula is the integral of du over a squared plus u squared. So the formula is 1 over a inverse tangent of u over a plus c. So first thing that we're going to do is to find for a. A is equal to 5. Our u is equal to 3y. So our du is equal to 3 dy. So therefore we have here the nf of 1/3. So we have here the nf which is 1/3. You have to write here 1/3. What is our a? 1 over 5 inverse tangent of what is our u? 3y over what is our a? 5. Then plus c. Okay, so therefore we have here 1 over 15 inverse tangent of 3y over 5 plus c. So this is the final answer for number 3. Okay, so proceed now with number 4. So in number 4, we have here dx, the integral of dx, 49 of minus 25x squared. So understood, so if we're going to have the pattern or the formula, so it patterns here, du over a squared minus u squared. So it could be integrated as 1 over 2a ln of u plus a plus u over a minus u and plus c. So first thing that we're going to do is we need to find for our a. Our a is 7, right? So 7 squared 49. Our u is equal to 5x. So du is equal to 5 dx. So therefore our nf is equal to 1/5 rather. So we have now the neutralizing factor. So therefore we have to write first 1/5 here. 1 over 2 times what is our a, which is 7. And ln of our a is 7. Then plus u is 5x over 7 minus u is 5x. Then plus c. So we have to simplify. 2 times 7, 14 times 5, that is 70. So 1 over 70 ln of 7 plus 5x over 7 minus 5x, then plus c. Okay, so 1 over 70 ln of 7 plus 5x, 7 minus 5x. So the thing that we're going to do is we need to find for the pattern, okay, or the formula that best suit to the problem. All right, so let's proceed now with number 5. We are now in number 5. So in number 5, the problem is this integral of the square root of 36 minus 9x squared dx. So the first thing that we're going to do is we need to find for the appropriate formula that we're going to use. So we have here the formula, the pattern. We have here the square root of a squared u squared minus u squared du. That is equal to u over 2 the square root of a squared u squared minus u squared plus a squared over 2 inverse sine of u over a plus c. So this is the pattern that we're going to have. So first thing that we're going to do is we need to find for our a, which is 6. Our u is equal to 3x, of course, because it's 9x squared. Our du is equal to 3 dx. So therefore, we have here the nf of 1/3. So we have here the nf of 1/3. So we have to write it first here. So u, what is our u here? Our u is equal to 3x over 2. The square root of a squared, this is, we have to full it up. I'll fill it up rather. So a squared minus u squared, understood this is 36 minus 9x squared plus what is our a, which is 36, 6 squared, that is 36 over 2, inverse sine of what is our u, which is 3x over 6. Okay, 3x over 6, then plus c. Okay, so we have to distribute here. So distribute first. So this is 3x over 6, the square root of 36 minus 9x squared, plus 36 over 6, inverse sine of, you have to simplify this one, we have x over 2 plus c. So simplify. So this is x over 2, the square root of 36 minus 9x squared, plus 6 inverse sine of x over 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay, so x over 2, the square root 36 minus 9x squared, plus 6 inverse sine of x over 2 plus c. So let's proceed now with try this. I hope you have to solve this one at home. Evaluate the following integrals. So we have 4, 1 to 4. So God bless and good luck everyone, and enjoy the moment of solving. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, Kasaligan Vlogs, and share it to everyone. Thank you and God bless. And I hoping you to pass the subject. Thank you.